An ode to nature's symphony. Rivers flow, stories untold. Mountains stand, silent witnesses. Birds soar across the sky. Sunset paints a fiery canvas. Forests whisper ancient secrets. Wildflowers bloom in meadows. Waves crash against the shore. Raindrops fall in symphony. Clouds drift in endless dance. Stars twinkle in velvet night. Breezes sing through tall grass. Moonlight shimmers on still waters. Seasons change, a timeless cycle. Life's heartbeat in every rustle. Roots reach deep into earth. Sky stretches to infinity. Nature's canvas, vast and grand. Echoes of time in every note. Harmony reigns in every hue. An ode to nature's symphony.